Yo, Stocks 5150. Today is Friday, July 18th. Nope, July 17th. And guess what? We are red. We are closing the week out super red. We are down 14K. That's crazy. 48 on the day. Took a huge L. This is the hourly candle we just trimmed. We just chopped all day today. This is today. We just stayed bearish all day. Boom. Yeah. So we're still in the same range though, but we're at the bottom half of it now. So looking to get back up to the top side, hopefully with the earnings next week. Because we're at the bottom half of the range, and that was respected. So that's good. Tried to make it out, but it didn't happen. Let me zoom in. This is what we have for the hourly for the day. For the 17th, this is all the price action for today. Cascade overnight, semis were weak, and yeah, we're like 133 on the semis. Hit the bottom, swipe that, came up, shot back down. So end of the day red, end of the day red, end of the week red. Let's see, what are we? I'm certain that we're red for the week because there's no way, no way. Yeah, I'm down 8K. Jesus, wow, wow, wow. Well, it is what it is. It is what it is, bro. Nothing else can be done for that. I've been in this trade now for 2 weeks since the July 2nd, and so for that, yeah, down 4,000 on the total. Yeah, um, nothing to be done about it. Just in the red. Hopefully this what's that called? Year to date was still good. So, but as far as this trade, it's knocking a hole in me. Man, yeah, so just add another four on that. So that's really gonna be down eight. Yeah, stocks 5150, yo. Still hold on to the swing. So we still got a little dry powder. What I'm expecting to happen, I would like to see happen, uh, earnings come next week and we push back up to the upside. So that would be super cool if that's what the game was. If the game was we were here, pull back, pull back. Because remember now, this week, which was this is all bank earnings, and this had us up here, which is okay. And then we just pulled all the way back, wiped all that out. Fair enough. So that's where we at. Down at the moment on this swing trade, and like I said, we're gonna hold on to earnings next week. I mean, we got DJT wilding out, saying what he's saying, and we got a lot of other stuff going too. Crude oil is back above 81, so yeah, that's happening. I mean, everything is bearish. Truthfully, if I wasn't trying to hold on to this swing trade through this earnings, I would probably be able to make some money. But we're doing an experiment. You know what I'm saying? We're along for the ride, this swing trade. And we're gonna see if it goes. You know what I'm saying? We'll see how it goes. I don't think we even had any earnings today. Let me see. Who do we have today? Uh, so this is next week's earnings coming up. Next week starts the text. First day we got this don't matter AMC, but we got Domino's. We got Domino's. We got this is on Monday. Who is that? Is that Scandis? I don't know who the SDI. Not sure who that is. Monarch, Smart Finance. We got 3M. All right, so basically we're gonna be down until Wednesday because Tesla earnings start on Wednesday. So we got Tesla earnings on Wednesday. Tesla, Google, IBM, and CSX. But Tesla and IBM on one day, and then on Thursday you have Intel. Intel been sucking wind. So we got Intel. We got where is Microsoft at? So you telling me there's more earnings coming? But Tesla's at 379, 360. So I'm expecting Tesla to push back up. We'll see what happens though. Yeah. Sorry, I was reading through Reddit to see what they got going on with that. But over on Wall Street bets. Let's see. So Apple unseats Nvidia to become the world's most valuable company as AI bet shifts. Look at Apple playing the smart long game. Good for them. Um, yeah, we're super bearish right now. But Truth Social sells to sell banks fastest access to Trump posts. That's damn wild right there. But that's what they gonna do. Uh, somebody got 120K to 1K lost porn, and then Wendy's is down. Hmm, that's a pretty good one right here. Let me see. They got a let's see if I can pull this up. Show y'all this. This is pretty funny. This one's pretty funny. Let's see. So Wall Street bets. Where was it? I just saw it. So Truth Social is gonna start selling fastest access to Trump posts. So that's so they can manipulate. And you know, it is what it is. I was thinking about getting a new laptop too, man. But yeah, it can't save you. Shoot, it don't matter. This one right here is what's funny. Software in 2020, best business model ever created, recurring revenue, zero marginal costs, zero terminal value debate. Now look at software in 2020. Yeah, funny. That's pretty good right there. That's a good one. Memory stocks for the last 3 weeks. Yeah, that's true too. And that's been me on this roller coaster ride. Bears are taking over. Clorox. Huh. Yeah, definitely bearish right now. Oh well. Down in the hole we are. And today just more. But really like overall, like I said, we're still within this in this range, just chopping. Just at the lower bound of it. It's interesting to see. And probably shouldn't be taking participating in this crap, but I am definitely respecting that this bound here we came down, swiped that liquidity, but it's still not enough to push up. We bounced off of it, but not enough to get us going. But we'll see what happens. Earnings. I thought earnings was gonna be I thought Microsoft's earnings and stuff. Let's see, put on the calendar for the 20th. Yeah, for the 20th, we got Steel Dynamics, Domino's. Domino's is kind of like a technology company. It's COVID play. Novartis, Chubb, Interactive Brokers. When is Microsoft's? So we got Google, we got Google, Alphabet, Tesla. That's on Wednesday. Then Thursday, got Intel, so it'll probably pull it right back down if it gets a pop at all. T-Mobile, Nextera, then AstraZeneca, that's on the 27th. Coca-Cola. Microsoft is at the end of the month on the 29th. Microsoft and Meta are the same days on Wednesday. And Qualcomm. Shh, I gotta hold on to this bitch that long. I hope I have enough capital for this. So I got 2 more weeks left this whole month of July. Apple is on the 31st, on Friday, on Thursday the 31st. Apple, Amazon, MasterCard. So I gotta hold out till Friday the 31st. And what I'm really expecting is for us to be down here this bottom range. We push back up here to the mid range, probably come back down every day, and then but then I don't know. But it is what it is, yo. It really just is what it is. Today was the 17th, and it wasn't any heavy earnings today, but had like the regional banks. So we just basically down. So it's probably gonna be bad, to be honest. Let me see what this is. Let's see overall. So overall, this week's let's see earnings. This week's major corporate earnings are headlined by S&P 500 reports large financial. Key results included Netflix, which made consensus forecasts, reporting 80 cents per share on revenue and 12.56 billion. Um, Major banks primary focus midweek reports companies like J.P. Morgan, Wells Fargo, GE, Truist. Um, yeah. So technically, because it was midweek, we did a little. We just chopped a little bit. We pulled up a little bit. Chop, 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 chop. Then just fell off again. But DJT ain't helping nothing with his oil stuff, and this. I really think this is positioning so that they can have a good week for the tech stuff. That's what I'm thinking. I just got to hold out, man. Try to make it through. Try to make it through. 'Cause- And after this, I won't say I won't swing trade no more, but yeah, this experiment. We'll see if it's a pass or a fail though. I'm just waiting. But right now, not looking so good for this week. Not at all. As far as earnings went today, let's see. Travelers Insurance Company, they were plus 88. So that's a surprise. That's a beat. Truist. But none of that was enough to pull the market up. You know what I'm saying? None of it. None of it was enough. Cloud structure. That was a minus 55. So at market close, we got some more banks. We got gold mining, Digitex, solar. Oh well, it is what it is, man. We are kind of pushing up a little bit, getting a little pop at the close. Probably more selling. Somebody got to buy it. And it's OPEX too. Options expirations. Where's the minute at? Minute doesn't matter much, but yeah, look at that. We just this is that line. We just floated along the bottom down here. No, this is the bottom. Sorry. What is this line? Oh, that's the VWAP. We just floated along the VWAP. I might try to trade VWAP next month for July. See how that works for me. Crossover VWAP, go long, then go short. I mean, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Go short when the 5 crosses the VWAP, or short when it crosses the 9. I mean, short when it crosses the 14 is probably better. Yeah, I'll get back to trading in July, in August. Whatever this brings out, this is what it brings out. This is the experiment for the month of July. Swing trade. Gotta do something. All right, stocks 5150, yo. We're getting a little bounce though. We're getting a little reprieve, so 4,000. If we close out under 5, that'll be good. And, we'll survive. Live another day. I'm gonna leave it on. Peace. Gotta work out. What am I doing today? I'm gonna do chest, I think, or something. I don't know. Yeah. All right, yo. So the market's closed. That's the end of it, and we are down. Well, it's showing $45 for the day. That disregarded. That's today. 13,763. 13,763. We did make a little push back up. So this is a good thing. That means we probably closed out. Let's see what the market was for this. July 17th. Market is 4,500. So we ended up 4,500. So anything under 5,000 we can live with. So we're down 9 now. We can recover from that. We will recover from that. That's what we got for the past 2 weeks. So that's what we had on the swing trade is down 9. Down 9. And we are for the week down 13 yesterday and 11. That's what got us. We're doing fine. 5. Yep. So that's it, man. Signing out. Being honest and transparent, yo. Let's go. Stocks 5150. Peace. Peace, peace. Enjoy your weekend. And if you're down, you're down. If you're up, you're up. But just know another day will come where you survive and live to see another day, another trade. That is the question, right? And I hope so. Yeah. It's definitely gonna push back up though. This is looking good. All right, let's go.